Hello friends, I'm Neshik from blogto.com and welcome to another awesome video. In this video, we'll learn two things. First, we'll learn how to create custom attributes, how to design them, how to make them really awesome so that it looks totally different from other websites, the normal websites which are there in the market. And the second thing that we'll see is filtration options. We'll see how to add these different filtration options like filter by price, filter by color, filter by rating, filter by size, category, tags, and so on. Okay, so let us see this first thing. First, we'll see what this thing exactly is, and after that we'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so first let's see this custom attributes. For example, we have an attribute over here which says color. In normal websites, you might have seen that you have this attribute color and there is a drop down given over here. And when you select that drop down, you get black, green, whatever color it is. But here we have the exact same colors showing over here, and this really looks beautiful. And for size also, we have different text tabs over here, text labels over here, which really looks cool. And when you select this green color, the color of this product changes, okay, or maybe the product totally changes from here. And when you select this different thing, for example, it is green large, so the price is showing 30 pounds. But when we select green medium, it decreases to 25 pounds, and when we select small, it goes to 20 pounds. So this is very good. This really looks amazing. This really improves the beauty and the design of your website. And the second thing is the most amazing thing that you will see is that filtration options. I have been getting a lot of requests from my subscribers that they want to learn how to add different filtration options. So this is the video that you will learn everything about that. Okay, so first at the sidebar we have different options like filter by price. So when you drag this thing, we want only till 20 pounds. We don't want any product more than 20 pounds. So we just drag this. We don't have to refresh or anything. It is automatically reloading, as you can see. Now we'll have all the products which are either equal to or below 20 pounds, not more than that. So this is very good. And if you want only black color, then you can select black from here, and again you don't have to press any button. As you can see, it is loading automatically. Then you can filter by rating, filter by size. Suppose you want only medium size, then you can click on this medium and you'll get that product over here. Okay, and you can also filter by different categories and so on. Okay guys, so this is what we are going to learn in this video. I hope this video will help you guys. If you find my channel helpful, if you find my content helpful, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. And if it really helps you, then make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter. That will really help me. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, as you can see on your screen, I have created a new website called demo2.neshik.com, and I have installed a fresh WordPress. So this is a fresh WordPress installation over here. I haven't done anything, haven't created anything yet. This is just a fresh installation. I could have just did this thing in any one of my existing websites, but I decided to go this way so that everyone can follow along. Okay, so to create these amazing things, these custom attributes and this filtration, we need a plugin which is called woof. Okay, so it stands for WooCommerce Product Filter. This is an amazing plugin. You can see over here it has got a terrific 4.74 rating. Okay, so that is awesome, and it has got more than 4,000 sales. So this is a really good plugin. It costs you around 30 bucks, but what I would recommend you to save some money, you can save a lot of money. In fact, you can just type in open a new tab and type in blogto.com/nitro. Once you do so, you will be redirected to this page. This is actually a theme. It is not a plugin. It is Nitro theme. I have created a website, a video in fact, using this theme. If you see my channel, I will give this link in the video description below, and you can see that video. This is the one, how to make an e-commerce website using Nitro theme. So this is an amazing theme, but why am I recommending you this? We are here to create product filtration, and I am recommending you a theme. Let me tell you the reason. If you scroll down, you will see, first of all, this theme is amazing. There's no doubt about it. But here is the reason. you get a total value of $155 free themes, free plugins with this, and it includes advanced product filter, the plugin which we need. Okay, so this is the plugin which we need, advanced product filter. You also get awesome plugins like size guide, which is 18 bucks, visual composer, which is the most selling theme of all time on Theme Forest. This is the most selling theme of all time. Revolution slider, you can create beautiful sliders. Ninja pop-up, you can create awesome pop-ups to generate more leads and so on. So you are getting a lot of things over here. So it's all up to you. I just wanted to give you a better option. You can just purchase this theme, this plugin for 30 bucks, or you can go with this theme. You get a theme plus so many awesome premium plugins. So you can decide yourself what you want to do. Okay, so you can just go ahead and purchase the plugin and the theme. I'm assuming that you are using that theme, so I'll be using that theme and I'll show you everything step by step. Okay, so the first thing is to install a theme. So we'll click on appearances, we'll click on add new. Now we'll upload the thing, choose the file. Okay, so this is the theme file. I'm selecting this and we'll click on open and click on install now. The theme is getting installed. It will take few seconds, don't worry. Okay, so the theme is successfully installed. Now we can activate the theme. Okay, fine. Now you get all these recommended plugins. You have to install all these plugins from here so that you can do, and you can see that we have our plugin as well over here, and we get many premium plugins as I said you earlier. Let us find. So when you click on begin installing plugins, you will see these are all the plugins that will be installed. There are so many premium plugins over here, and the one which we are looking for is this one, advanced product filter. So I won't install everything. I'll just install WooCommerce and advanced product filter so that everyone can follow along. I don't want to confuse you installing so many plugins that we don't even need. But before installing plugins, what you have to do, you have to register this theme. Okay, so you can click on Nitro from here, and here you will see product registration. Now you have to put in your email address and your purchase code, the email address which you used to purchase the theme or the plugin from Theme Forest, and the purchase code which you got. Okay, you'll get all these things when you purchase the theme. So I'll put it over here. Okay, the email address is this and this is the purchase code, and after doing so you have to click on this validate button. Okay, fine. Now we can install plugins. Now we can click on this begin installing plugins, and now we will select these two plugins, WooCommerce and advanced product filter, and we won't tick anything else. We want only these two plugins. In fact, we want one more, this custom attributes. We want only 3 plugins. Okay, select those 3 and go to the bulk action, click on install and click on apply. Now you can click on this link which says return to required plugin installer. Now we have to activate those 3 plugins. Okay, now again we have to select those 3, WooCommerce, advanced product filter and custom attributes, and from bulk action we can select activate and click on apply. Okay, so all the 3 plugins which we need are installed and activated. Now you'll get this pop-up over here. Okay, the WooCommerce setup pop-up. So let us do it very fast. We don't want to waste our time on all these things. We have done this so many times. Okay, so let me do it very fast as soon as possible. Click on continue. If you want to learn more about WooCommerce, I'm just skipping these things because we don't need these things in this video. But if you want to learn about that, I have a video on that as well. I uploaded it recently. I'll give that link in the video description below. You can see that. Okay, that will be very helpful for you. Now let us import some products so that we have some products to play with. So what I'll do, I'll click on products. Okay, so here we see that we don't have any product because we haven't created any product. It is just a fresh WooCommerce installation. So what I'll do, I'll import some products. So I'll click on this button which says import product from a CSV file. and from here you can choose that file. I'll give this link, I'll give the file for free to you guys, so that you can also import some product if you don't already have a product. Okay, so you'll find this file in the link in the video description below. Okay. Okay, so this is the file, dummydata.csv. You have to select this file and click on open. Now click on continue. Now just scroll down and click on run the importer. Okay, as you can see, your products are getting imported. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has imported 28 products. Now you can click on view products to see the products which are imported. So these are the products which are imported. Okay, now let's see how our shop page looks like. So you can hover over here and you'll see two options, visit store and visit site. You have to open the visit store link in a new tab. So this is our shop page. Now let's see a product which is variable product. Okay, so this is a variable product, the ship your idea product. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, this is your ship your idea product. Okay, if you are also importing the product, this is the product which will be playing around. Now as you can see over here, by default we have this color and we get option like this, black and green, but we don't want this. We want some amazing thing like this, you know, we want the actual color to show over here. So now let's start creating the custom attributes. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to your dashboard and under products you'll see the last option is attributes. Click on attributes. Okay, you'll see one thing is already created, which is color. Okay, so but in the type section there is nothing selected, that's why it is just showing select. So we'll have to change this. So you can click on this edit button. Now from type just select color picker. Okay, so type and color picker and click on update. Again click on this button which says back to attributes, or you can just click on attributes from here. So we have our color attribute and we can create different terms over here. Okay, so let's click on configure terms. So there are three colors which are already over here, black, blue and green. Now let's add the actual color over here. So under black you'll see this edit button, click on that. Okay, so the first option is name of the color. Slug is just the URL thing. You can add some description and from here you'll have to select the actual color. So let's click on this select color and let's select black from here. Now in the tooltip, what is this tooltip by the way? If you see over here in this, when we hover this black, we get this black, it says black, and when we hover the green, it says it is green. As you can see over here, it says it is green. The color is also there, but when we hover this, we get the name of the color. So that is what a tooltip is. So this is black, so we can type in black over here and click on update. Now again click on this back to tags button. Now let's play around with this blue color. So click on edit. Again the same thing, just select the color. Now let's select this blue color from here and let's give a tooltip of blue. Click on update. Now again let's click on back to tags. Now the last color which we have, obviously we can add more colors from here. Okay, for example, let's delete this color from over here, green color, and now let's add a new color. So let's type in green. Okay, the slug you can just leave it empty, it will just type in the same thing, so you can just leave it empty and you can select color from here and you can select green, give a tooltip of green and click on add new color. Okay, so as you can see we have three different colors over here, blue, green and blue, green and black. Okay, now if you come to this page and refresh, let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see now we get this thing over here, we have this color and we have black color over here, but this let us add some more attributes to this product so that we can see how it looks. But before that, let us create one more attribute. Okay, So you can click, you can just come back to your dashboard and again click on attributes. So this was the first attribute, the color attribute. Let's create a new attribute, size attribute. So here you can just, in the name, just type in size. The slug, you can just leave it empty and type, select text label, okay, and click on add attribute. Okay, so we have color, now we have size. Now we have to add some terms for this attribute. So click on configure terms. Now here let's start adding terms. So first one will be small, so just type in S in the name. In this slug you can just leave it empty. The label will be S again and tooltip will be small, so that whenever someone hovers over this S, they will get this small thing over here. Okay, now you can click on add new size and it is added over here. Now similarly you can just type in M over here. In the label we'll type M, and in the tooltip let's type in medium. And at the last, let's create one for large as well. So just type in L. In the label also L, and tooltip will be large. Click on add new size. Okay. So we have 3 attributes over here. Now what we'll do, we'll edit this product and we'll add those attributes to this product and see how it looks. Okay. So we can click on edit product from here. You can dismiss all these things. Okay. We don't want this message popping up again and again. You can just dismiss everything, all these notifications. Okay, fine. So this is our product. Now let's scroll down. Let's click on attributes. So as you can see, there is one attribute color already created over here and it has only black. Now we can add more attributes. So you can just, when you click on this, we get more options. For example, this is also available in green. So we can select green, and maybe also in blue. So we can also select blue from here, and make sure you tick mark both these options, visible on product page and used for variation. Okay, and click on save attributes. Now let's add the size attribute as well. So when you select this thing, the custom product attribute, you'll get this drop down size, and if you have created more things, you'll get all those options over here. So let's select size and click on add, and maybe this product is available in all the 3 sizes like large, medium and small, and make sure to tick mark both these options and click on save attributes. Okay, so we have created attributes. Now we can go to variations, and there are already 2 variations created over here, but let's remove this and let's start it from scratch. Okay, so let's remove all these things. Now we have no variation, so we'll get this drop down. When you select this, you'll get an option which says create variation from all attributes. So it will create variation for all the attributes. Okay, and click on go, click on OK. Again click on OK. It says 9 variation added. Okay, so as you can see, we have black small, black medium, black large, blue small, blue medium, blue large, and so on. Now we can add different color and different image and different price for every single variation. For example, for black large, we can add a different image. For example, let's add a black color t-shirt image. This is the one, black color. Let's select this, click on set variation image, and this is black large. So let's put 30 pounds for this one. Okay, 30 pounds for this large t-shirt. Now let's select this medium one, black medium. Again select this image, select any black image from here. Let's rate it 25, and yeah, okay. And after that we have small, black small. Let's select the color, black color t-shirt, and the price, let's put 20 pounds over here. Then we have blue, so we'll select blue large, and now we'll select a blue color t-shirt. So let's select this one, click on set variation image. Now this is large, so we'll put in 30 pounds for this one. And after that, blue medium, then we'll select same blue color over here, set variation color, 25 for this one. And blue small, again the same blue t-shirt. Then after that we'll have 20 pounds for this one. Then the last one is green color. So let's select the green color image. Let's select this one, click on set variation image. This is large, so we'll put in 30 pounds over here. Then we have medium. Again, we'll select the green color t-shirt and we'll put the price as 25 because it is a medium t-shirt. And the last one is green color small t-shirt. So let's select this green color, and because it is a small t-shirt, we'll just put in 20 pounds. Okay, and click on save changes. Okay, so all the changes are saved. Now you can update this page. Let's update button. Now you'll see this option which says view product. Now let's view this product and see how it looks. Click on view product. Okay guys, so we have successfully done. Now we have this black color and large. When you select black and large, we get 30 pounds. When we select black and medium, we get 25 pounds. And when we select blue, we get blue and medium, we get 25 pounds, and so on. Okay, so we are done with custom attributes. Now let's see how to add this filter options, filtration by price, by color, and so on. So to do so, again, come back over here. First, let's create a sidebar first. So if you see your shop page, let's just type in your domain name, your website name, and after that /shop. Okay, you get to your shop page. Now this is our shop page. It does not have a sidebar. So first, let's add a sidebar, and after that we can add different attributes in the sidebar. So click on customize. And after that, you will see this WooCommerce option from here. Click on WooCommerce, product category, and here you will see all these different options, the design and everything. Okay, so this is the layout. We have no sidebar layout, but if we want left sidebar, so we'll select this one. So as you can see, the changes are taking place. Okay, now we have a space for sidebar. You can also change many different things over here. How many columns do you want? For example, here we have 4 columns. Now suppose instead of 4 columns, you want only 3 columns. So you can select this one, 3. And you can see now we have only 3 columns. Okay, now we can select many different things from here. The style, like for example, here we have this style. You have many different styles at the bottom, product item style. Okay, now because this is really a great theme for WooCommerce. Okay, so you can go with this theme. This is really awesome. But if you don't want to do any more changes, we are done. So just click on publish and let's exit out. So let's add a sidebar. Let's first see the filter options. So come back to your dashboard. Now when we hover WooCommerce, you will see this option called settings. So click on settings. Normally we have only till here the option till API, but we have one extra option over here which says product filter. That is because we added that plugin, product filter plugin. That's why we have this option. Okay, so the first option is search by price. Like here we have the first option is filter by price or search by price. Okay, so by default it is set to no. When you click on this, you get more options. Now let's select yes, but we are getting 3-4 different design options. So let's select Woo range slider and click on save changes. Now let's come back and let's refresh the page and see the changes. Now we cannot see the change over here. There is nothing over here because we are adding things over here, but we have not added a widget at this sidebar. So let's do that first. So again, come back to your dashboard. Okay, over here. And when you see this appearances, when you hover appearances, you'll get this widgets option. Let's open this in a new tab so that we are, we are not exiting this page. We want this page to be open. Now in this widget, we have to add this woof widget, the filter option widget in this sidebar. Okay, so when you go at the bottom, you'll see this widget WOOF, WooCommerce product filter. So you have to select that, and after that select this thing, WooCommerce sidebar. Click on add widget. So this is added. Now you can just change the title. So let me just remove WooCommerce and we'll have only products filter. Now click on save. Now again, come back to your website and let's refresh this page. Now we can see we have our beautiful option over here. Okay, so let's cut this thing because we are done with the widget option. Now we have to play around with these options. So this is how a Woo range slider looks like. But if you see our website, the demo website, this slider is very beautiful. This is, looking like the website itself. But here the color is very ugly and it is not matching the website. So what I'll do, I'll select some different option. The last one, ion range slider. Okay. And I'll click on save changes. Again, come back over here, refresh the page, and we should see new option over here. Okay, so as you can see, now this is looking awesome. We have a very beautiful slider, a very beautiful, criteria, filter criteria over here, price filter criteria, exactly like the demo website. Now let's create this one, filter by color. So if you see over here, we have product color over here. Okay, this one, this is the product color tab. Now if you see, the options are radio, checkbox, drop down, multi drop down, but we want color over here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go to extension, because we are not getting that color option. That is because there are many extensions which are not by default enabled. We just have to enable that. We don't have to install it or anything. Everything is there, we just have to enable it. So go to extension and you'll see this color over here. So we just have to tick mark this and click on save changes. But what I'll do is I'll tick mark everything. We want all the extension, okay, so that we can see what are the different options. So just enable all the extension from your images and everything. Just tick mark everything. Rating, because we need this thing as well, filter by rating. Okay, after tick marking everything, go at the bottom and click on save changes. Okay, now again when we come back to this option, we get many new options over here. As you can see, we have so many new options. First we had only 4 or 5 options. Now we have filter by price, filter by this, by that, and so on. So the first option we have already seen, search by price. The second one is this one, product color. First let's drag this thing at the top, just below the price. Okay, let's drag it at the top. Okay, just below the price. So we have price, and after that we have product color. Now select radio. Now we have so many different options. Now we have to select color from here. Okay, now click on additional options. You'll get, if you want to give a title, for example, if you see over here we have a title which says filter by color. Let's copy this title and you can just select yes if you want to give a custom title, and you can just type in your title over here. Okay, let's paste in the title. Show tooltip, yes. Click on apply. Now if you save the changes now, then it won't show because we have not make this thing enabled. To make it enable, just tick mark this thing. Okay, now click on save changes. Now if you see over here, we get a new option, toggle color terms. Okay, so it has detected that we have added 3 different colors, black, blue, and green. Now from here you have to select this black. Then from here, this is blue color, so we'll select blue. And the last one, as you can see over here, it says green, so let's select green. Fine. Now let's click on save changes. Now come back to your website and refresh. As you can see over here, we have filter by color. When we hover this, we get the name of the color, and it is really looking awesome. Okay, so we have product filter, filter by price, filter by color. Now the next option is filter by rating. So it is also very easy. You don't have to do anything. Just search for the rating one. So we have product messenger drop down. Here it is, by rating drop down. So let's first drag this thing below the color. Okay, over here. So we have our price, the color, and the drop down, and you don't have to do anything. Just make it yes. Okay, just select this thing, make it yes. Yes, we want the rating drop down thing. Scroll down, click on save changes, and after doing so, come back to your website, refresh, and you should see that. Okay, as you can see over here, we have filter by rating now. Now let's see whether it is working or not. We are adding everything, but let's see whether it is working or not. So let's add a filter option. Let's scroll down. Now as you can see, it is working. Now we are getting only cheap products like 14-15 pounds and so on. Now let's select only black color. So you'll select black over here. Okay, so it says no product matched. So let's increase this price. Okay, so now we have this option. So we are applying two filtration over here. We want price of the product to be less than 30 pounds and the color to be black. As you can see, both these things are applied over here. Okay, if you want to reset, you can just click on this reset button and you will see all the products again on this page. Okay, now let's continue working. The next option is filter by size. Again, come back over here. Let's search for that one. We have product size over here. So just make this thing enable, and instead of radio, we want labels. Okay, so here it is, label. So just select label instead of radio, make this thing enable, and let's drag this thing at the top. Okay, just below the rating. We have color, we have rating, and below this we have the size now. Okay, now you can again click on additional options if you want to add some title. So you can click on additional options. It says show title label, it is set to no. We can click on yes. Show toggle button, you can also select yes. Now let me show you what toggle button is. You will see show as closed, show as opened. So I'll select show as opened, and after that, how many terms do you want? So we have only 3 different sizes, so we don't have to put in any number. But suppose you have 100 different sizes, but you want to show only 10, and if someone wants to see more, they'll get a read more option. Then you can select this. You can put in only 10 over here, but we have only 3, so we don't need to do that. Okay, now here you have to put in the title which you want for that for this widget. So we want a title which says filter by size. So just type in filter by size. Okay, click on apply. Now again, let's save the changes and let whether everything is working fine or not. Let's refresh this page. Let's scroll down. Now as you can see, we have our option over here, filter by size. We have 3 different sizes over here. Now let's add the last option, which is filter by categories. Obviously this is the last option over here. We have so many different options, like you can search by SKU, search by tag, you can search which product is, you can select only to show the product which are in stock, only to show the product which are on sale, and so on. You don't have to do it, just have to make it yes, and it's all done. Okay, now the last option which we have to do is, it was filter by categories. Okay, so come back again over here. This is product categories. Just make this thing on, and if you want radio, if you want drop down, if you want checkbox, you can select anything. So I want radio for this one, and we'll get this thing at the top again. Okay, below the product size, and let's click on save changes. Again, this page, refresh, and let's see the changes. Okay, as you can see over here, we have the filter by categories section. Now when we just click on clothing, we'll see all the categories which are related to clothing. We won't see any different categories over here. And when we click on in stock, when we tick mark in stock, we'll see only those products which are in stock. Okay, and when we click on sale, we'll see only those products which are on sale. As we are getting only 2 products, these 2 products are on sale. So we are applying 3 different criteria over here. We have the product should be in the clothing category, it should be in stock, and it should be on sale. Okay, so this is so amazing. I hope this tutorial was helpful, because this is the end of this tutorial. I have shown everything that was important from very beginning. Okay, I have shown you how to install the plugin, theme, how to create different attributes, and so on. Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you want me to create more tutorials like this, if you want me to create a tutorial or video on different subjects, whatever problem you have, you can just put them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. And if you have enjoyed this video, then make sure you subscribe.